Make the very air you breathe as fresh and healthy as nature intended with the inspirational Bionaire Humidifier. This super modern design maintains your home's ideal moisture level, humid enough to keep you and your family free from dry skin, scratchy throat and itchy eyes. The Bionaire Humidifier is compact and light for easily moving from space to space. Yet, the 3.8-litre removable water tank is big enough to keep medium to large rooms comfortable to be in all day long. Choose and set one of 3 output levels, depending on your preference and the ambient air conditions. The Bionaire Humidifier does the rest. A colour-coded digital display shows the current room humidity. To help you maintain best performance, an indicator light alerts you when the water tank needs refilling. If you're not around to replenish the humidifier, it handily switches itself off for total peace of mind. Humidifiers also help reduce static electricity in your home, boosting the performance of computers and other electronic equipment. Wooden floors and furniture, indoor plants, and even musical instruments benefit when the air around them is infused with moisture, rather than arid and artificial. The Bionaire Humidifier can even help reduce your energy bills. Humid air feels warmer than dry air, so you can lower the thermostat on your central heating without reducing your comfort. Bionaire, pure indoor living.